Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General. Y'all, this store was a hot mess. Y'all know I'm always on the soapbox about these stores. Now, this store, they had some little bit of stuff, but no baskets. And then the cashier tells me they have baskets. They must be new baskets. They're in the back. So they're waiting on someone to come. So I don't know. He just said they just waiting. I guess somebody from corporate or whatever to come about the baskets. And I was like, really? So I went up there and I told him I'm going to sit this stuff right here and I'll be back. So that's what I was doing. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, y'all. So this is on the low. Because y'all know anything up under $5 is on the low. Anything up under 10, well, I could say 5 and higher, is on the low. So the first thing that I got was these Febreze small spaces. They are $3.25. There is a $2.30 digital coupon that is attaching, which all these are digital coupons. If y'all hear any clunking, that's my grandbaby back here. She playing with her doll, okay? So the next thing I got was these big razors. The big razors are $3.65. There is a $4 off digital coupon that is attaching. And you know, the Overage Crest Scope Mouthwash Classic, it is $1. And there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. So this is actually in the trial size of, if you're looking for it, it's trial size. Okay. So make sure you look in the trial size for this mouthwash. And then the next thing is these Crest. And make sure you see it has over 2x more free scope. They are $1 a piece, which they're in the dollar aisle. If not in the dollar aisle, look in where your toothpaste is. They might have put it right there. But these are $1 a piece. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching to this. So the overage will go into your transaction. Okay. The next thing are these 2 Arm & Hammer detergent. They are $4.25. And I actually had $3.50. I think either 3 or 4 $1.50 digital coupons on my app. So I just went ahead and got 2 on this number. This is my daughter's card. So I went ahead and got 2 of them. That $2.50s did attach offer here onto, took $2.50s off for each one. And like I said, it was $4.25 a piece. The next thing are these Secret Outlast Sweat and Odor. These are trial size, and they are, let's see. They are $1.35 a piece. So there is a digital coupon, $5 off 3. And then the overage went into my transaction. And then the last thing I got, let me move these out of the way, was the Snuggle dryer sheets. The Snuggle dryer sheets are $2.60. There is a $1.25 digital coupon that is attaching. All right, so y'all, also I got that. Let's see if it came off too. No, it did not. It did not come off, but I'm fine with that. Okay, so everything that I got, y'all, and I thought the 3 off of 15 would have came off, but I didn't. Some of these items did not go with the 3 off of 15. So I still did good. after she rung up everything and I put my number in, my subtotal, y'all, was $5.50. Yes, $5.50. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. So when the guy, when he was ringing me up, he was like, your total is, and he was getting ready to say 20 something dollars. Then he said, hold on. He said, oh my God. My subtotal was $5.50, but my whole total was $7 even. Yes, $7 even. And he was like, I'm trying to get my daughter to do this as far as couponing. And I told him, I said, all she needs is the app and she's good to go. She just need the app and good to go. So this right here, y'all, let me go ahead and show you my receipt. I was about to end it, but let me go ahead and show you my receipt. All right, so there is the Febreze, the digital coupon, the Bic razors, digital coupon, 3 of the Secret Outlast and the digital coupon, the Crest Scope mouthwash and the digital coupon, the Crest Complete, there they are, both of those, and there is the digital coupon. And then there is the Snuggle Sheets, the digital coupon, and the 2 Arm & Hammer detergents, which is, and the digital, both of the digital coupons that came off. And you see my subtotal, $5.50. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. My total savings, look, y'all, $19.55. That is great. And there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. And y'all, when y'all scanning these items, make sure that the 3 off of 15 that they have for, like, you know, home, school supplies and stuff does attach, because some of these items that do not attach. And I'm thinking that the items that don't attach is the trial size, I think, and the dollar owl. I'm thinking those are, but don't quote me on it. Just scan your items and see if it attaches or not. So this right here is, but you know what? If I had got one more of these, I probably could have got away with it. I'm thinking. But anyway, but this right here is my Dollar General haul deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.